tighten them up.
Yep.
Ready?
Just make them a little tighter.
You're a little tangled on that one.
Yeah. Hook yours up. You sure how long it's going to
Well, I'm saying we had a 2x4 we can put in this crack and we have to take this thing off. Stressed out yet?
Oh, there's some.
Right behind you, man.
There we go.
Want
Straight back?
Yep, straight back.
I had it,
So you gotta open
yeah.
them up with you.
Yeah, I got it. Listen.
There you go. That's it. Keep going. Don't move no more. There you go. You're good, Dad. Lock that side down. You good, Matt? You can't tighten her up no more? Nope. Okay. You should be fine. I'm done with her. Back ones are locked in.
You might have to feel it a little bit, Matt, because of it being painted, but it's sticking. The teeth ain't engaged in a lot.